Hey guys, so we're set up out down at Loxwood Jazz Gin and Blues. There's a trader's line, you can hear everything going on in there. We're all set up, so I thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough on how it all goes together. So up there is Dishy, that is a properly stabilised military mast. And then in the back here we have our comms rack, D-slam in there. We have our firewall up there. That's an absolutely ancient piece of kit with one of our old logos in. The Starlink there is providing power and nothing else with Starlink router, and then we are bridging off there. That goes into there and generates our networks, our internal network and our D-slam network. The 1 mark trunk carries all the management stuff and everything down to here. We've got a fibre interface there which we're not using, which should really have blanks in. That switch is doing all the aggregation and distribution of the VLANs. Down there we have a patch panel set up to take 4 D-slam channels into one trunk, and obviously the D-slam at the bottom. We are not using vectoring today, and that then runs out the back of the van into this mess of cabling and off down there. So our power is coming in from over there. We've got a mast down there, you might just see it above the blue tent there. We'll go have a look at that in a minute. And then we've got one at the entrance, so we'll go wander over there and have a look at that one. So we're obviously getting closer to things, I hope you can hear. So there's one of the DSL boxes, you can see it quite happily there. So this is bringing in DSL, providing one output to the 225 on the top. And then we've got another PoE that runs back off into there. So I'll just show you in here and see what we've got going on. So there's the event there. We're off around here, and you can sort of see one of our cables there along with the power. And then we run in through here, and we've got a junction on the back there. There's an access point up that tree, and there's some more in the front, so let's go and walk down to the front. I will pause you for a second, just get you away from the worst of the noise and the people. It's a lovely walk through this, I do like this site. I am probably going to have to pause you again. Or not. Right, back here at the entranceway, we've got another DSL box down there. So, looking at the box there, what you can see is power in, the orange is a DSL, and we've got 5 network ports out, the black one being a diagnostics port. And then that's it for this one. This is really all there is to these systems. And then we're back out into the car park. We're up there, and just a DSL lead down there. It's a long walk back. So it's a really simple system. There's only 2 endpoints in this one. We can deal with upwards of 128 endpoints. We're not using any traffic management on here. There's a restriction on the traders just for fair use, but that's all there is. I think it took about 2 hours to put this in. It'll take us about the same to take it down. We've got another vehicle parked over there somewhere, which is our larger van, just because it's easier. And that's all there is to this one. There's going to be lots more of this, lots more video blog type things. I need to work out how to film this because I can't flip cameras on the move doing this, which is annoying. I could just turn the phone around, but not overly interested in doing that. But hopefully we will start at Great Dorset next week. We'll start getting checks on the cameras and equipment that's in there, and I want to blog that whole thing, or vlog the whole thing, so you get an idea of what it takes to put something that big together for us, how we go about it. But I mean, this is a small event. We've got the joust here. Those of you that aren't aware of Loxwood Joust and live down this end of the country, absolutely look it up. It's a really fun weekend. Obviously we've put our lanes in for our car park up here as well. The joust is a little bit more in depth. We've got more equipment going in on the joust. But yeah, and this is a really nice site to work on as well. There's just enough shade, just enough wind. Last year this was all quite damp, but this year it's much better. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Take care.